How to report a lost item on Lyft. First of all, launch the application on your device. Then, once you open it, all you have to do is tap on your account icon on the bottom right corner or from this menu bar. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is scroll downwards until you find this Write History option. Tap on it. Now you will find options such as all, personal, business, as well as family. Select any of these options or any option where you had booked a ride for. From here, you should be able to find a long list of rides. However, I have not yet booked any rides from the Lyft, so there are no list over here, but you should be able to find your list over here. Simply tap on that specific trip where you lost your item. Then scroll down and tap Find lost item, choose to call or message your driver, then provide a clear description of the item and leave a phone number where you can easily be reached. And that is how you can report lost item on Lyft. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.